Hey everyone, Les here again. New video. It's been a while, been a week already. It's Horns Up Thursday. Keep them up. Let's see. Today I'm at Bull Moose Music in Sanford, my home of rock music. Today I got brand new music called band Animal Drive Bite. Seems pretty hardcore. Take a listen. I'm not sure how this is going to be, so I'm just keep your fingers crossed and rock on. Don't worry, it's all good. We need new stuff once in a great while, whether it's hard. I'll just keep it hard. Yeah, it's better for everyone. So let's give it a listen, and I'll see what happens. I'll open this. Well, it's by Frontier Records. It's a pretty good record company, label for everyone to listen to. It's not bad. I have a few. It's alright. So let's take a listen. Never know. Nice low intro, then pretty cool. It's pretty warm right now. It's nice weather. Music's pretty rock. It's called Goddamn Marathon. It's the first track. Pretty cool record cover on the CD they did. This is all new. Take a look at the booklet. See what that's about. Like rips. There we go. Nice drums. Show you what the band looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty crappy. Let's see. Dino Jalusic is vocals, backing vocals, keyboards, Hammond, acoustic guitars, electric guitars, Heller, guitar, rock conductor, bass guitar. Nice. I'll get back to you on this band. Right now they're pretty cool, pretty rockin'. It's a whole new music for me. So I'll catch you later, and I'll be back in a few. I'm gonna do the Eddie Park podcast and my pick of the day, the music. So I'll catch y'all later. Rock on. Horns up.